Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website to you. Just watching advertisement you can earn cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All of this video is a real account I'll show you, and with withdrawal proof. And let's get started. This is the website link in description. Click the link and come here. Just put your username, password, making an account. Okay, this website name is surfingbtc, and this is the all withdrawal proof from this website. Early withdrawal proof. This is a little bit hard to making some cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, this is available BTC every day. You can earn this much BTC, more than this much, because much more way have to earn. Okay, first if you come here, just click register, put your username, okay, your name and last name, email and your password, your gender, male or female. Click this one and fill a capture. Okay, I have an account. I just click login to show you how it's working. Okay, put my username and password and click login. This website is easy to work. Just watching advertisement you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Okay, I have much more ways to earn. Okay, the first one is surfing ads. Okay, this is the earn platform. First one is surfing ads, short links story and short links story. Okay, this is the story to tell you this two way have to earn. Okay, first one is surfing ads. Okay, just click surfing ads. Okay, this one is the surfing ads. This too easy. Just fill a capture and then click enter and watch this ads for 80 seconds and you can earn this much BTC. This is very high paying BTC. Okay, just click view. Don't view this page, just come back in here. This is the page to show you. Okay, just come back and wait until the seconds end. Okay, after the seconds end and I come back, this is the page this website show me. Okay, this is the all another way to you can found a lot of websites. Okay, and just watch after this much seconds you can claim your BTC. Okay, I pause the video. After 50 seconds I come back. Okay guys, the seconds end and the page is reload automatically and show me another advertisement, and this is the balance they instantly pay me in my account. Okay, this is the balance that I have in my account balance. Just you can watch another one too. Just click view. Okay, you can watch and you can lift and don't watch again. Okay, this is very easy. You can watch your advertisement. Okay, now I show you the withdrawal. How much is the withdrawal? And the first one is the bonus. What is the bonus? After the bonus is right now is not available. Maybe after 2 days, 3 days the bonus is after this bonus is right now rate. This mean is in the working. You can click withdraw. Okay, and I show you the withdrawal. This is the all wallet you want. I use Faucet Pay. Just click Faucet Pay. The minimum withdrawal is this much in the Faucet Pay. Okay, you can choose another one too. And I come back to earning. This is the short links. You can watch visit links. You can earn this much links is available, and this much BTC you can earn with this link. Okay, this is very easy. After 10 days maybe you can able to withdraw from this website, After 10 days I share the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay, and this website is 100% paying website and very good website. This website link in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This all the videos is available, and I have a playlist. Any earning ways you want, you can watch. Okay, this is the rebel earning, watch ads, crypto mining website, Faucet website. Okay, this much Faucet website, and free crypto website is this much. Okay, you can watch and you can earn much more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.